as much as you want to start that business by yourself, I know you don't want to spend it. Hire the attorney, hire the accountant, set things up right, make sure things are set up in a way that makes sense to protect you and your business. I have a current client right now, amazing licensed professional in the state of Texas provider, and she had some issues with the licensing board that have been now resolved, but now she's having issues with her city municipality. When she set up her business, she thought she was doing things by the current ordinance, and the city is now saying that what was set up 30 years ago was not set up properly. And a business that has been open for 30 years is now having issues with the city today from something that happened before, right? So I know it sounds zany, it sounds crazy, but I always say that some of these things really do catch up with you. And there are so many business owners who will say, I'm not gonna get caught, there's no problem, I think I did it right, I'm gonna cross my fingers, Google is their law degree, and that's all fine and dandy when you don't get caught. But if you do have an issue and boards become involved or other players come involved and your documentation has to be examined, it's not fun when your business is shut down for months and this is the way that you take care of your family. Now, do I think that my client is wrong? Absolutely not. I think my client is right. But do I think that it's important to make sure that your I's are crossed and your I's are dotted and your T's are crossed? That is what people need to do. And so when I say you need to hire the lawyer to make sure that you're doing things absolutely right, I say it because a lawyer today and spending, you might think a small fortune on a lawyer is going to save you heartache, pain, embarrassment, and from financial ruin for years to come. My client and I, we're fighting to keep a business that has been open for 30 years back open, has been closed down for months, which means she hasn't been able to make money for months because of documentation, right? It's not a simple fix anymore, and people don't understand that. Once things get so far down the line, it's not a simple fix. It's not a slap on the wrist. It becomes really serious. So hire the lawyer from the beginning. Make sure things are right from the beginning. Be in touch with your lawyer from the beginning. Make sure that you are reading with them regularly after the engagement is done, asking them questions, re-engage with them so that you continue to do things the correct way, because it's an expensive thing to fix if you don't.